Hey guys, I just got this display cabinet from IKEA, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick look and show you guys what I put in there so far. It's probably going to change like a million times because I always like moving my stuff around. But here it is. We'll just start at the top. I just put these up here because I'm still working on them. I would like to get a white and black theme, so I'll need a white Integra. I don't know if they make that. They should. But once that's done, I'll display it somewhere. But for now, they sit up there. Alright, so let's go in it. Let's go in it. Anyways, Auto Art CRX SI. This is I forget the brand, but it's obviously a Civic EF. This is another Auto Art. This is a resin model, just so you guys know. And the difference between a resin model and a regular diecast model is the diecast has opening parts, where a resin never has. But then you get much cleaner lines. You guys can see where diecast, you can actually see exactly where it opens, like this giant gap right in the front here. Obviously something like this, it's more clean. So it just depends on what you like. I kind of like opening parts, but I'll get what I can. These are 1x64. That's on the Prelude down there. I got two of those because I really like the EGs, obviously. Here's my own. Alright. Back there is an NSX. That's actually pretty sweet. I'll find a better spot for that later on. Here's a Type R. I got this when I actually had that car. I sold it in real life. A couple of S2000s, and these are just a couple of riced out monsters. I know some people might think these are kind of corny and whatever, but they definitely belong in Honda's history, good or bad, whatever. It was just part of it. So if you love a brand, you love it all, good or bad. Couple more 1x64s. These are my TLVs. Little bike thing. On a monkey bike or whatever they call it. And there's just a couple more. Anyways, that's the Honda cabinet. Like I said, it's probably going to change a bunch more. But yeah, right now, it looks pretty decent. It's a nice place to put them all and display them. Without looking, without looking like a bunch of toys. Some people there always will, but, and it's not for other people anyways. I collect for me, so. But, yeah. I really like this cabinet because it's all glass, so I can come over here and have a look at this S2000 from over here. So I like it. Anyways, I got this at IKEA, if you guys are wondering. Wasn't too bad. And assembly, it says 2 people. I did it by myself in 30 minutes, but yeah, you could probably hammer it out in like 15 minutes, really. Pretty easy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like my video or videos, if you checked out my other video. I'm kind of new to this, but whatever. Just showing you guys my passion. Alright guys, have a good one.